Hi, it's David here with Futures Trading. I actually want you guys to know something. I told you yesterday in this video here not to buy this drop, and I'll express to you why. Also, all the information I'm about to kind of show you, I put it in this algorithmic video here on YouTube. My subscribers, I appreciate you guys. You've been pretty much consistent with the views. TikTok, you guys definitely didn't even take a look. It wasn't number 7 views on that. And again, it's reasons why I'm telling you this information and you're missing it. All right. Because in that video, I wanted to talk about something more than just, hey, take this entry. Now, I did tell you in that video that here's the mid. All right. So here's the mid of the reversal. All right. Now I'm expressing to you all this information via the daily chart as well. Here's the mid of that reversal. They tested it 5 times, gave you the uptrend, made the trend distance. And I gave you this price when this bar was right here. All right, when this bar was right here, I gave you that price before they actually set the trend. There's that price level. They rotated off of it. And here's the thing that I want you to pay attention to. They came back and closed beneath that mid. That is a problem. There's several reasons why a reversal will fail, and this is one of them. All right, so they closed beneath that mid. That's a problem. All right, so they only had 6 down, and of course they turned around and went right back up because it's just still an uptrend. It is just 6 down. There's your uptrend. So they gave you the trend distance twice. All right, twice over. One here and then another one up. So this same distance kind of just showed up to the upside. Up here is a problem, and I'm gonna express that to you off the daily chart. And again, there's a couple other reasons why I knew it would turn here, and I can't tell you. But to my followers and my subscribers, I want to make sure that I express to you when I told you yesterday not to buy this. This was one reason, and there's several others. But again, that one reason right there is good enough for me to tell you that because at the time this bar was coming down, okay, when I shot the video, and I thought that they would confirm it yet again, and they didn't. So I want to make sure I express to you now, you're still not out of the neck of the woods. I promise you. They need to get above this 725 and start closing. All right. On the daily. On the daily. The hourly is fine. Yes, they can move up to it. They need to do this on the daily as well. Will that be the end of it all? No, not exactly. So here's the daily. All right, so here's the daily. That's that 725 right there. Has nothing to do with the mid of this bar. I can assure you, even though it fell on that. Remember, I'm doing stuff long before these prices are important on the hourly chart or on the daily chart. There's prices that these guys are referencing all the time, just like these static levels. A little bit more information that of course, I can't disclose to the public, but I'm gonna tell you about the behavior because that was in the algorithmic video, and you guys did not watch it on TikTok. Here's the mid of this bar here. All right, so the mid of that bar, 952. All right, so that's the reversal bar. There's the open, and I said this in the algorithmic video. There's the open of this bar, and that's important. All right, and there's that 83.75. That's important. They went up there and they didn't close above it. Now I coded an indicator based on this too. They came back down. Here's the open of this bar. Now you can see they traded at 61.75. That's the open of this bar. Let me make sure that you see that open 61.75, open right here, 83.75. So you can see it for yourself. They traded at this level. Of course, this is going to be the third day going in. All right. So this mid is important. All right, so this mid is important. Yeah, you okay? So the bar pivot, you can see that 551 and a quarter. That's important as well. All right, so they hit that. Well, this will be the fourth day. You need them to take out the 725 people. If they do not take out the 725, and again, even on the daily, if they do this, you still got these issues sitting right above you, and these are static levels as well. So if you're looking at this, they went through it on the push up. So that's intent to go higher. It is. However, they're coming back under here and using it for resistance. All right. So you're kind of stuck right between two problematic areas. All right. So you'll want to see them back above 725. That doesn't mean you're out of the neck of the woods. It doesn't. When I express to you that there's something else going on up here that I know that they can go ahead and decline some more. I can assure you it's that serious. So see if they can clear this 725. My subscribers and my followers, and those that want to come view the material, hey, take it with you. So, and once they do this, you need them to come up here and knock these two price levels out as well. If they do not, I can assure you this market will get trapped in this area only to turn around and break down and take out this turn. And so even though they're holding that mid, they're holding that open, there's some other information here. that I know that they can get past this area. And yes, there's your no close here. Yes, there's your no close here. Yes, these no closes that worked for that, and then of course they came back and they took that out. So right now, yeah, they're not, they're not breaking down past this area here, 86.50. Let's see what we got here, low 83. So yes, they ran under this no close bar. They're not closing. I totally get it. But there's something else, and I can't tell you. There's something else going on here. So if we can get the close back above that 725, you would need to make sure that they knock out these two levels here as well. And then from there, you should definitely be able to get through the high to go ahead and get that move up. So I wanted to make sure I expressed that to you, that you're not out of the woods. So even though they're turning, I know I told you yesterday, don't buy that low, and you may wake up and see this market turning back up. I just want to express to you, when I tell you something, it's very, very important to all my subscribers and followers. All right. So I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.